Hi everyone. So this is our connection with our bedtime routine to really create some back and hip mobility to release from all the stress and trauma throughout the day and let the muscles really relax as you move into your rest phase. So we're going to begin seated. So if you are on the floor, that's fine, but if you are in your bed, and if you can sit cross-legged, that's great. If you can't, just sit in a comfortable position, so either seated, butterfly, or take the legs out long. And just find your connection here. Just draw up nice and tall through the spine. Roll the shoulders back and down, and bring your palms onto your knees to find some grounding. Close your eyes when you're ready. And just take a few deep breaths in through the nose and out through the nose to let go of today, to find your calm within and bring focus to this space. Allow your mind to feel connected now as we begin to wind down from the very tip of the head down through to your roots and all the way through to the tips of your toes. Just prepare to let go of all you hold on to today and come in to the present moment. So keep breathing here, and you can keep your eyes closed as we move through. We're just going to release the feet into seated butterfly if you're not already there. And just draw up nice and tall through the spine. So use cushions for support around your thighs. Just lengthen through the body here. Just allow the knees to drop out. If this is too uncomfortable tonight, then just windshield wiper the legs or rock the hips from side to side. We're just allowing the hips to open. So find your comfort with your body and just breathe into it. Beautiful. Just 2 more breaths here. Deep breath in. Let it go. So if that's still comfortable to sit there, that's fine, or you can release back into your cross-legged position. We're just going to inhale and shrug the shoulders up towards the ears. Exhale, roll them back and down. Inhale, shrug them up. Exhale, roll them back and down. Inhale, shrug them up. Exhale, roll them back and down. Release the hands down either side of the body. Inhale the arms up. Let the fingertips touch at the top. And as you exhale, bend into the elbows. Open the arms wide, palms to the front. And then release the hands down. 2 more times like that. Inhale the palms up. Fingertips touch, exhale, bend into the elbows, palms to the front, release the breath away. 1 more time, breathe in deep, palms up. Exhale, bend into the elbows, palms to the front, relax the shoulders down into the back, and then push into the fingertips as the palms come to the earth wide of the body. And then just one by one, roll the shoulders back and down to release that off. Lovely. Come back to neutral and gently rock the head from side to side. Just allow that release from any tension through the neck into the shoulders. Beautiful. And then bring the head back to center. Just drop the chin in towards the chest. Lengthen through the spine. Take a breath in. Exhale, bring the head back to center. And then as you inhale again, very slowly take the eye gaze towards the sky, or just lift the chin to the sky. Exhale. chin in towards the chest, lengthen through the neck. Exhale back to center. Inhale, take the head up. Exhale, release. Gently rock the head, release that off. And then come back to a neutral position. And we're going to come into some side stretches. So you can either cross into the legs or you can take the legs out long, whatever feels more comfortable for you. You can even have a little bend there, as long as you're grounded through the sit bones and you find that length through your body. So just lengthening through, tummy muscles in. We're going to bring that right hand down to the side of you. If you need a cushion or a block there to lift up a little bit higher, just for support, just find something that's going to work for you, just to find your comfort here. So this is all about comfort and finding that release through the body. Take a breath in, draw that left arm up. Exhale, C-shape the spine over. So don't push it too far, just feel that opening through the ribs here. Breathing in, pushing into the fingertips. Breathing out and allowing that release through the side body. So drop this bottom shoulder. You can be on fingertips, palm, you can come down onto the forearm as long as this opposite sit bone is still grounded. Find your connection there. If it's too much, you can come back up. Keep the shoulders drop down. Beautiful, deep breath in. And let the breath go as you draw that arm all the way back up and over, bringing the fingertips down on the other side. And inhale that right arm up. Exhale, shape the spine over, relax your shoulders down. Again, finding your comfort on this side. One side may feel looser than the other. Deep breaths in, slow breaths out. Beautiful, one more deep breath. And release that breath, bring that arm all the way back up and over. Roll the shoulders back and down, bring the palms to the legs or knees and gently rock the hips from side to side. Just bring some warmth and some movement through. Just allow that manipulation to just release any tightness you hold on to. Beautiful. And then come back to center. Roll the shoulders back and down. And release there. So we're going to come into a gentle side twist now. So tummy muscles in nice and tight at center. Take a deep breath in. As you breathe out, you're going to twist to the left, draw that back hand in towards the spine, front hand just resting across that thigh. You can have palm down, but if you feel like you're pulling on the leg, palm comes up. Breathe in, lengthen through to the crown. Breathe out, twisting through the body. Just allow the chest to open, going as far as is comfortable for you. Breathe deeply. And we're going to start to connect to our Ujjayi breath here. So breathing in through the nose, lengthening through the spine. Gently purse the lips and breathe out through the mouth now. From the back of the throat, nice and deep. Just begin to release a little more tension here. Find that mobility through the spine. Beautiful, one more deep breath in. As you exhale, slowly untwist and take the arms all the way out to the side, stretch through to the fingertips, take a breath in at center. Exhale, twisting round to the right. Back hand in towards the spine, front hand across the thigh, palm up or down. Relax the shoulders, deep breath in through to the crown. Breathe out, twist through the spine. If you need a cushion or a block behind you or a pillow, just to allow that hand to rest down. Just use what you need to find your length through the body and allow the breath to deepen. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Lovely, one more deep breath in here. Exhale, untwist. Come back to that neutral position and roll the shoulders back and down, and again rock the hips from side to side. Just release that tension off. Beautiful. Okay, so from there you're going to slowly make your way round onto your back. And just have anything by you that you might need for support here. So you might need something under your lower lumbar area to allow that release into the back body. So nice and slow down onto your back. And just ground the back down into the earth. Bend into the knees, hip width apart. And just take the arms wide of the body. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, you're just going to start to windshield wiper the legs, nice and gently from side to side. So take it slow to begin with, not taking it too deep. And just allow that progression to happen naturally as you breathe into your body. Allow your breath to deepen. Allow it to slow, but with each exhale, start to release more tension. Releasing all that tension around the hips, through the lower back, just letting it go. Beautiful, just one more each way. You can feel the legs just dropping down that little bit further now. That mobility becoming a little easier. And then bring the knees back to centre. Keeping the arms nice and wide. Inhale one knee towards your chest and then the other. And knees over hips. Again, take this at your own pace. Just make sure the tailbone's grounded. If you just do one or two, that's fine. Just focus on your own body. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, you're going to take the knees to one side. Go as far as is comfortable for your spine and then inhale with the core back to centre. And exhale over to the other side. If this is too much, just come back to windshield wiper legs. Or you can come into tabletop and then just rock from side to side. Just to bring some mobility and massage through the lower back. Just breathe into your body. Just trying to relax the back muscles here, so really focus on that for you. Whatever that looks like for you, whatever that feels like. Just respect your body here. Just one more each way, just allowing that release a little more into the lower back. Beautiful. And draw the legs back to a neutral position. And just draw them in towards the chest. Hug them in if you can. And then bring the tailbone back down to the earth. And we're going to go in a circular motion, massaging the lower lumbar area down into the back so we can manipulate through the lower back and through the hips. So hands onto legs if you can, or you can rest the hands down by your sides. And just take those legs in a circular motion. So really feel the massage through the lower lumbar area. Taking that connection into the hips. And just breathe into the body here. Using your Ujjayi breath to release the tension. In through the nose and out through the mouth. Beautiful. Then take that the other way. And just go in that circular motion through the body. Massaging through, deepening that breath. And allow that release nice and deep into the back. Beautiful. Bring the legs back to centre. Just draw them in again. Take a breath. And exhale, release the feet back to the earth. So we're just going to bring some mobility into each hip. So we're going to inhale that right knee in towards your chest. And just bring your hand outside the thigh. Draw it in towards you and then just take that knee out wider than your hip. So if you want to go into full half happy baby, that makes sense, then you can bring the sole of the foot up to the sky and either have the hand outside the thigh, inside the thigh, on the calf or up onto the inside of the foot. Or you can stay here and just allow the hip to open. We're just kind of trying to create that mobility. So don't push it too far, just take it to where you want to go. You can circle the ankle here, just bring a bit of movement into the legs and the feet as well. And just allow that mobility to flow. Keeping the upper body relaxed, just breathe. Lovely. Take a breath in here. Exhale, release that leg back down, bring it back to neutral, just rock the hips from side to side. And then on the other side, come back to center, inhale that left knee in, and then take hold of that left thigh, draw it in towards you, and just open the hip. Again, flexing into the foot if you want to, drawing through the thigh muscles, keep the shoulders relaxed. Or you can come up into your half happy baby. Just do what you want to do here. You can flex and point into the foot. Just see what your body needs and what it feels like. Deep breaths in, slow breaths out. Lovely, just 2 more breaths here, just allow it to flow. Allow it to deepen and connect. 1 more deep breath in. Exhale, release that foot back down. Gently rock the hips from side to side. And let's finish in our reclined butterfly. Soles of the feet together, let the knees drop out to the sides. Use support here if you want to, just blankets, cushions underneath the thighs. Fold in blankets underneath if you want to. And then just rest your hands onto your belly, relax your back down into the earth, and just breathe into the hips. So to release the tension, take a breath in and squeeze into the glutes and thighs as hard as you can. And as you exhale, just let the breath go and let the muscles relax. And then just breathe deeply. Allow the breath to flow. Allow the mind to calm and just breathe into your hips. Just notice your back melt into the earth as you feel your breath travel through your spine. In through the nose and out through the mouth. Deepen each breath. And just feel that connection. The muscles releasing and renewing with each breath you take. Find that mobility within. Take a breath in, draw the knees in towards each other. Exhale, take the legs out long. Gently rocking through the hips, release the hips off. Bring in the hands to the heart space. Take a deep breath in.